In this video, I'm going to show you 8 different ways that you can make money with TikTok without having 1,000 followers. In fact, I'm going to share a special tip with you, the key to actually making money with TikTok. So if you want to make money, if you're struggling to make money with TikTok, watch this video because I'm guaranteeing you that it will help you out. Hello, my name is Alston Godbold, and as an affiliate marketer, I've successfully promoted everything from security cameras to web hosting, sound bars, microwaves, and stand mixers. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell if you want to learn real affiliate marketing tips and tricks. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. All right, so you want to start making money on TikTok. Maybe you have a large account, maybe you have a small account and you're just getting started, but you want to look at different ways to monetize. I just want to show you real quick here my TikTok profile. It only has 47,000 followers, not a lot in TikTok realm. You can gain millions of followers if that's what your goal is. But here's the key to TikTok, and I don't think a lot of people are sharing this with you. The key to making money on TikTok is to promote or sell your brand. So talk about you, promote your knowledge and your experience. Don't pretend to be something that you're not. The reason why I recommend promoting yourself as your brand is simply that there are millions of people that are just like you and they're looking for someone to follow, and you're going to be that person. So what I recommend is whatever it is that you're a genius at, whatever your specialty is, create content around your specialty. Be yourself, talk about your experiences, talk about your successes and failures. You'll build a following and you'll start making money. As I mentioned just a few seconds ago, if you are talking about yourself and your experiences, there are millions of people that are able, willing, and ready to follow and be just like you, or use you as a guide to help them get where they want to go, regardless if they want to cook better, they want to, be a better parent, they want coaching, whatever it is. But that's the tip. That's the key to making money with TikTok, is be yourself and talk about your successes and failures. So without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about the 8 ways that you can make money with TikTok. Number 1 is selling digital products. Now, the cool thing with selling digital products, and why I really like them, is you create the product once and you can sell it again and again and again. For example, let me show you my digital product that I like. It's called the 60-second blueprint, second business blueprint, just like that. And it teaches you how to use social media platforms to go viral with vertical videos. And what you can do, and you can do this without 1,000 followers, you create a digital product on something that you have knowledge and experience in. Maybe you have a specialty in teaching people Etsy. Maybe you have a knowledge and experience with creating Excel spreadsheets that do macros and micros and all that other stuff. So I certainly recommend that taking whatever it is that you have knowledge and experience in, whatever it is that you do all day. Maybe you work a 9 to 5 as a data analyst and you've created special templates that make your job more efficient. You can package that up and sell it and potentially make money. But digital products can be anything. It can be, this is a blueprint, it's only like 43 pages. You can create an ebook, you can create a course, an audiobook, you can even do a podcast, wrap it up and sell it, and talk about whatever it is that you are very, very good at. You don't even have to be very good. You could be very average at it. You could be mediocre at it, and you can still get people to follow you and make a purchase. But number 1 is selling digital products. Number 2 is actually with affiliate marketing. Now, this is one of my favorite ways to make money online. And the cool thing with affiliate marketing is you can do it for any niche. For example, if I type in dog here, we can hit enter, and you're going to see there are tons of different channels about dogs. And what you could do is you could create content teaching people how to train their pet, share different tips and tricks to help them train their pet better. And then you could promote different products that will actually help them take and train their dog even better. For example, there is a affiliate program called Brain Training for Dogs, like that. This product, as you can see, these are all different affiliates who are creating ads for brain training for dogs. But if we go to, let's see if we can click on one, brain training for dogs. Let's click on this one. I think this will probably take us directly to the offer. So for example, this is an affiliate offer. If I were to click and buy, add this to the cart, this person earns a commission or a portion of the sale. And so you can go out and find different products. This one's over on ClickBank. You could be an affiliate for products over on Amazon. For example, maybe your specialty is teaching people photography tips and tricks. And then you could recommend the Canon Mach 50 as the product that you are recommending to help them become specialized, become better at taking photographs. Easy for me to say. And as you can see here, let's say you recommend this one for $8.99, you get 3% commission, and you get a couple of those sales per day, and you can make $100 per day. So if we take $8.99 and we multiply that by 3%, you'd be looking at $26.97 per sale. And if they add anything else to the cart, for example, if they add in this Canon M50, they add in a couple more batteries, they add in a larger memory card, you could easily get that over to $100 per day. But you can see that this is actually a pretty easy way to make some money, and you're simply recommending other people's products and services. But that is just way. Another way that you can make money is there's a few different ways that you can do over on Fiverr. Number one, you can actually do TikTok shoutouts. As you can see here, if you have a fairly large brand, some of these guys have millions of followers, you can list your services over on Fiverr and say, I'll shout out someone else's smaller channel, and make a decent amount of money doing this. As you can see, anywhere from $10 to $50 per shout out, and it's just a 60-second video, so that's not terribly difficult. You could also do the same thing right in TikTok. For example, you could say, hey, look, if you want your account shouted out, email me at this email address, and then you could actually do all of this through PayPal, so you don't even have to use TikTok. But TikTok's a pretty good medium for this, but this is just one way. You can actually create videos, TikTok videos for people. If we just typed in TikTok like this, you're going to see that people are creating TikTok ads. You could buy these for between $10 and $20, and you could actually, there's two ways to do it. You can hire people to do your TikTok videos for you, and then you could use one of these other methods to make money. Or if you are pretty proficient at TikTok, you could actually list this as a gig or service that you're willing to do. But you can simply make these videos, and you can make them through Canva. You can also use other royalty-free sites like Pexels or Unsplash, and you can make them that way. Another great way to make money on TikTok is actually with coaching. And once again, you are simply going to share your knowledge. Now, there is a woman on TikTok, I follow her, I believe, and she shares tips on how to use TikTok and Instagram and Pinterest to make money. I'm just going to scroll through here and see if I can find it real quick. But she has engaging tags and titles like how I grew a brand to $1 million in 6 months using TikTok. And she explains exactly what she's doing. And then when you click on her link, it takes you to an application where she says, hey, look, I only work with about 5 people per month. And when she's setting that expectation like that, she's usually charging a pretty good amount of money to work with her. But you can do one-on-one coaching, you can do group coaching, and you're basically going to share your knowledge, your experience, and you can make money that way. But coaching is really powerful. You can decide to meet with people once per week, and you can charge anywhere between $200 and $3,000 depending on your knowledge and skills in the industry. So you can also do coaching as well. I'm trying to scroll through. I don't see her, but she's a pretty large TikToker, and she's just sharing her knowledge, tips, and then once she shares them, you have to go and apply. But coaching is another good opportunity. Another way that you can make money is actually selling merch. So we can use a website like Teespring like this, and you can create merch for free. And the cool thing about using this website, Teespring or Spring, is you don't have to do anything except for come up with the idea. Teespring handles the payment processing, they handle the shipping, they handle all of it. You just come up with the idea, you put it on t-shirt, merch, and apparel, and you can make money. Now, one way you can do this is figure out things that are trending. If there are trending sounds, if there are trending memes, you can take that and you can try and put it over here on Teespring and then sell your store. You could also use Fiverr to have people come up with different ideas, different hashtags and trending sounds and put that up, and you would just hire somebody over on Fiverr to do that for you. If we type Fiverr, we go to, we could say t-shirt design, just like this, and you're going to see that there are lots of people that are willing to do these different t-shirt designs, and you can basically just arbitrage it. So pay $30 for this person, and then create the the merch over on Teespring. It's actually really easy to do. They make it simple, and then when people buy, you can make that money back up. But merch is really cool. Another way that you can make money is paid ads. There are tons of people that are claiming to making very good money simply running paid ads. They're running paid ads to their drop shipping. They're running paid ads to their merch store. That is a really good opportunity. There are tons of videos on TikTok that are showing you step-by-step how to set up ads. TikTok can be kind of finicky when running paid ads, just know that, but that is an opportunity as well. And then the final way that you can make money is with brand deals and sponsorships. Now, what you can do is you can either reach out to different brands and say, hey, look, I have 1 million followers on TikTok and I want to work with you. Or brands and sponsorships are going to reach out to you. Brands and sponsorships are basically in video promotion. You are promoting a special soda. That was interesting. You're promoting a soda. Maybe you're promoting someone else's t-shirt or brand, and they're going to pay you upfront or at least a portion to recommend or discuss their product or service. But brand deals and sponsorships can be really powerful. It really all depends on your reach. It depends on your engagement, and it really depends on how many followers you have. But let's go ahead and run through this really quick. We have selling digital products, affiliate marketing, Fiverr, coaching, merch, paid ads, brand deals, and sponsorships. I just realized that I forgot to mention how you can start earning or making money without having 1,000 subscribers. As you know, you need 1,000 subscribers in order to have a link in your bio. But what you should be doing is, if I just click on this, hopefully I'm muted. What you should be doing is you should be putting your little call to action down here at the bottom. This is how I earned my first commissions with affiliate marketing and TikTok, is I actually had a link to my landing page, and I recommend that you go out and buy a domain name. I'll put a link in the description for the best web hosting or domain name provider out there. But if you just do this, put something like learn more, this is a call to action, and then a link to your landing page. People will leave the app. I guarantee it. If you are creating helpful, engaging content, people will leave the app and they are going to go to wherever website that you're that you're sending them to. Now, the interesting thing that I learned throughout this process is I had people go to alstongodbolt.com/TikTok, right? And so people were actually spelling TikTok wrong. So they would spell it like tick-talk. They would spell it like, well, I actually spelled TikTok wrong too. They would spell it tick space talk. And so what I wound up doing is I wound up creating redirections in all of these. And so what would happen is I'd actually have it redirected. But for example, if we just type in tick-talk, because a lot of people were doing that, at least in the very beginning, that would actually redirect to the same place. So if you can, a wise thing what I recommend that you do is set up a redirection and use different variations. If you're going to do like I did and have TikTok here instead of start, have different variations because people are typing it in wrong. So I just wanted to pop in and tell you that because I actually forgot to mention that in the original video, but hopefully this helps you out. Now that you know 8 different ways to make money on TikTok, click the first link in the description for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.